Right.
We got London on the track. I ain't asked now for nothing. I took the
All the way.
12 put me over, coming with it. They took my heart away. Heart away.
Alright, let's
Heart
see.
away. Heart away. Jump in it hard away. Jump in it hard away. In the skillet with the match. Bad, bad, that money gotta have. Just dreaming in the last shit.
Y'all, I got these shoes. I think these are so cute. Let me tell y'all how I got these. Like, long story short, one day I had told God, well, I expressed to God, I was like, I needed a new pair of shoes. You know what I'm saying? Like, I couldn't go and buy me no shoes or nothing like that. And literally, y'all, I used to ride the bus or whatever the case may be to try to get around or whatever. And I know this old man or whatever, he always like giving people stuff or whatever. And I ended up finding these shoes the same exact day where I was talking to God about I needed a new pair of shoes. And I was like, yo, these is actually cute for real. Like, look at that. And also, girls love glitter, you know what I'm saying? They ain't really name brand or nothing like that, but I love them. Like, I can make them look real good. I got so many clothes, like, especially olive green. I love olive green. So I do plan to, like, wear some olive green with them or whatever the case may be. And I got to find another shoestring for it, though. Because I got one pair with shoestring. I got one with a shoestring in it and the other one don't have a shoestring in it, but I felt like I couldn't pass them up because I felt like they was a gift from God. You know what I'm saying? When you thank God for the small stuff, he'll bless you way much more, you know what I'm saying, than you can even imagine. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, I'm going to be grateful. I'm going to be thankful. And I felt like it was a test. Was I going to be too good? Like, oh, no, I don't need that. I ain't finna take no shoes. You know what I'm saying? Or was I going to be thankful? Or was I going to be grateful and accept what, you know what I'm saying, I found, you know what I'm saying, what God blessed me with. So I'm like, boom, I'm gonna go ahead and get them, whatever K may be. And I stuck to that. So I gotta go get me some new shoes, some new laces or whatever. Like, I probably change the color of the laces or anything, but I think they so cute. Like, I love like shoes that kind of look like Air Max or like fitness shoes and stuff like that. Like, stuff all the way. All the way. Then I got these. Just some more fuzzy shoes. Like I said, I like olive green. My favorite color blue, but I be rocking a lot of green. Like I love earth tone colors, unicorn colors, pastel colors, earth tone colors, like all of it. But yeah, man. But one day I'm be in a position to go and be able to buy every shoe every shoe that I say I want to get, I'm gonna be able to get it. You know what I'm saying? So do not despise small beginnings. Like, you know what I'm saying? So I got me some regular little flip flops or whatever, as y'all can see with the flowers on it. I think these are cute. They just, you know, something simple or whatever. When you want to, like, if you're going to the pool or just on some quick, I'm finna go here, let me grab these type shoes. Let me just slide my foot in real quick so I can go make this play or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Whatever it is, whatever I got to do, you know what I'm saying? So. Got me some regular work shoes, you know what I'm saying? Slip grip, you never know when you gotta go out there and go get a job real quick, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Be prepared for whatever. Got me some slip grips. But yeah, man. I ain't gonna bore y'all with my shoes. I just wanted to show y'all my rack, but as you can see, it came along really well. Like, and then you can push it in. Oh wait, I don't know how to push it in. It sound like he's saying computer love. Y'all remember that song, Computer Love? Yeah, Yeah, man, but I'm grateful, man. I'm thankful. I thank the Lord Jesus Christ for everything that I got. Like, it don't stop here. You know what I'm saying? But see y'all. Stay tuned for more updates. Like I said, go follow my page, Brittany Rose, on Facebook. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. Go follow me, the official Brittany Rose, on Instagram. And you know what I'm saying? Stay up, stay current, and I'm gonna keep posting content. You know what I'm saying? It's just gonna get better from here. This is a journey. You know what I'm saying? And it take one day at a time. And I just want y'all to just keep rocking with me and keep following and just see how everything unfolds, because it is what it is. Like, you know. But love y'all. One love, 100.